Okay, what does problem number 20 tell us? Problem number 20 says that this line right here, this line M, is reflected through or across the x-axis. And it tells us the slope of this line is 2/3. The slope of this line is 2/3. That means the rise over the run is 2/3, of course. This point right here appears to be 0, 2. This point right here appears to be 0, -3. Would that give me a rise over run of 2/3? Wouldn't that mean this rises up 2 and this goes over 3? Now, if this point is on the x-axis, when I reflect, is it going to move? It's on the x-axis. It's going to stay right there. If I reflect it over the x-axis, it's not going anywhere. But if I reflect this over the x-axis, where is this point going to? Would you agree with that? That this point right here, if you reflect it over the x-axis, this point is going to go down here to 0, -2. And so then the line that's reflected over the x-axis is going to be that line right there. So what's the slope of this line going to be? It's going to rise up 2 and run over here to 3, but that's in the negative direction. So this line right here is going to have a slope of 2 over -3. Now, we've talked about that's not the proper way to write a negative fraction. How would I write that fraction correctly? And so that goes with answer choice A. Oops, I don't know why I got dyslexic there, and so that would not be the case. Let me get the right one over here circled. That would be answer choice B. How about that? Okay. Hopefully the next problem is going to be pretty simple. If you're running a race at 6 miles per hour, how many minutes would it take Kyle to run 3 miles? So he's doing 6 miles in 1 hour. But it asks for the answer in minutes. Do we know how many minutes are in an hour? And so that would be the same thing as saying 60 miles in 60 minutes. So how long, I changed this problem. Goodness gracious, not 60, but just 6. And so, how long is it going to take him to go 3 miles? Well, that's half. And so, how many minutes is it going to take him? Three is half of 6, so it's going to take him half an hour. But that's not an answer choice. These numbers right here are in minutes. Half an hour is 30 minutes. So hopefully that last one was pretty easy.